Guys, how's everybody doing? It's Dylan back with another video. We have another car meet tonight. Silicon Valley Garage. I hope I'm saying that right, or if that's like the right abbreviation. They're hosting me at their shop. They actually installed the engine cover on my C63S, the carbon fiber one. So super cool guys. They have a lot of cool cars. The lighting's not great. You can't tell, but it's 7:30, so meet starts at 7:30. Gonna go grab Starbucks. Then we're gonna head out. Hopefully there's some super cool cars. Hopefully there's not, music playing over, or else it's gonna be mainly montages and pictures and, that stuff. But I know you guys enjoy that anyways, so we'll get a little cold start, even though I've been driving the Mercedes all day. But we'll get a little startup, and then we'll get to the meet. So let's get to it. Okay, I got the Starbucks. We're on our way. It's about 10 minutes away from where we are. So might throw up some clips, see if there's, anyone there that wants to do some polls or anything. But if not, next clip will just be me getting there. So yeah, if you made it this far into the video, which is only about a minute or so, thank you for watching. And there's gonna be a lot of cool cars soon, so stay tuned. Thank you guys. Get some clips in here. So you guys can hear the car. Is this guy gonna move lanes? Nope. I mean, I don't know if you can tell how shaky this thing gets, but woo! It lets go. Like, it lets go. But yeah, I love this car, man. Sounds so good. Heading to the meet now. So yeah, probably next clip will be me there. Hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully there's some dope cars, so let's get to it. We just parked super far away because it's like a one-way street and there's only parking on one side. I'll show you as I walk down. So there wasn't that great of parking. So my car is not going to be in the show, or a part of it, but whatever. We're here for other people, so I'll show you guys some cars here. Hopefully there's not too much music. You guys can enjoy it, so hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, walking up now. Freeway's right there. Parked it here next to these two big ass trucks, so I don't even know if that's a spot, but we'll see. Got a little Benz here. Roll some clips. Hopefully it's gonna be dark, so not sure if videos will be too great, but we'll see. Hopefully I can get some decent ones. So we'll go around and check some cars out. In here, love these HREs. It's pretty much the same ones we have on the wagon, except these are one pieces. I think we got 3 pieces on the E63S wagon, but the one pieces look good too, that's for sure. Yeah, I got a lineup here. Hellcat, Clayton's bag. Yeah, this thing's sick.
front mount. Haven't seen those before. It's interesting. That wing's super interesting too. It's like a two-piecer. It's dirty though. Got another 5.0. Got a whole bunch. And then they got this little back area too. Not sure if they're gonna have cars back here, but maybe. Looks like they do. So see what they have back here. Ooh, some old SS's. Love those. Still gotta buy one of these. Maybe once I sell the 63. Another GTR. GTR's everywhere. Oh. See, I'll take this over the GTR any day. This thing is super clean. Not sure if you can see it on camera so well, but this thing looks dope. It's a very interesting route. It's Alpha. Cool route. That hurts. C63 down. Front end that. Damn. Oh, and he has the piece I want. I wonder if he'd sell it to me. I think this is a 2020. Is it? Yeah, and I need that piece, so. Like, there's a middle carbon fiber piece, I need that, so we'll see. This thing's stupid clean. Got like Verde, I forget what it's called. No wheel gap. Holy shit. Full carbon hood. Carbon roof. The white seats, which I love. Super clean. And there's gonna be some music in here, so we'll play something over it. So this thing though, super clean. Love this color. Yeah, I'll throw some clips from in there. Be covered with music since it's definitely gonna be copyrighted. I don't know if you guys can hear though. Definitely people fucking around. We'll see if anything gets rowdy, but I doubt it. The whole video is probably gonna have music over it just because there's, you know, a lot going on. But cops just pulled up. Interesting. Hopefully I don't get a ticket. Probably should head back to the car and make sure everything's good. So head down, make sure the car is still there. See what's going on. But there's cars everywhere. So hopefully I don't get singled out and get a ticket or nothing. It was coming in hot. Yeah, I got a whole bunch, so hopefully you guys enjoy this little vlog. Not sure if you could see, but there was a cop right there. I'm in my car, just trying to get warm, eating these real quick. I don't know. Seems a little suspicious. People are going crazy too, just right by him. They have no clue, so hopefully no one gets rolled. Super clean 458. A lot of people now. A lot of, you know, not as nice cars too, so tons of people pulling up. So I was planning on leaving, but cops came, so should get interesting. There's a few more cars, so we'll show them off. Then we'll probably head out. Nothing too crazy, so we'll see. This thing caught my eye. Super clean on Fort Con. Kind of like my old route. So it's gonna end today's video. There's still, you know, a lot of activity and cars going around and stuff, but nothing too crazy until it's on the wrong view. But hopefully I get this thing. I don't know if I got that on video, but that's the outro. So yeah, we're gonna head out, and I appreciate everyone for watching. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and watch some other videos. So that being said, thank you guys, and peace.